Hi, this is Tim from Latest 3DS Games, and I'm here with some random online play. Just having a little practice by going online now. I've got my Star Yoshi enabled, and hoping I'm a little bit quick around the court, certainly. And I have managed to find some people who are a bit more on my level, rather than ones that have been smashing me around the court for the last week or so. So, if you do have a quick go online, you will notice that there's a lot of very good players who are playing it obviously a lot, and that's fair enough, but it can be quite difficult to find someone who's kind of a bit more on your level like this, which is going to give you a bit of a sort of better game, really. Otherwise you're just going to be chasing the ball round the court the whole match, which is no fun at all. So this is a bit of a subtle player we've got here. He's playing all net stuff. Oh dear me, I lost that point. So we've got a bit of a thinking type player, as opposed to just smashing me off the screen, which is what most of the others seem to do. I don't get anywhere near any of the balls, so at least it's a bit more competitive. And like I say, if you don't worry if you can't find anyone at your level at first, because it's going to take a few goes. But certainly if you can unlock the star characters, you're going to find your characters are going to be a little bit better anyway. They're going to be certainly quicker around the court. And oh, we've got a freeze. Oh, we had a freeze online there. There we go. I have had a few problems online, not too many. So I lost that, not due to bad play, but just been a bit unlucky there. So we've managed to pull it back to advantage. And this is certainly a much more enjoyable game than, like I said, getting smashed off the court, which is not much fun at all, although I've managed to carelessly give away that point. I don't think it's so much about winning every time, it's just having a bit of a more enjoyable game. So here we go. Oh, and we're back to Juice. Oh. Okay, alright. So let's see if we can get this back again. And it is back to Juice again. And I think we've got the advantage now. So come on then. Oh, giving it away there. Oh, got that one back. Oh, and lost the point again. So this could go on for a while. So here we go. Oh, we got that one back. And we won the point somehow. So that was a bit more entertaining. Oh, and a great serve there by Black Yoshi to finish off the game. So up against Diddy's serve now. Let's see. Come on then. Oh, and I've messed that up a little bit. This is a bit patter cake-ish, but there we go. We've managed to win a point. We've won another one, so it's love 30. Oh, and Tilly's done one of those sneaky little drop shots there. Oh, and we've got a break point for the game. I'll do it. But we've given that one away. Okay. And I think we've just about taken that one. So, good game that one. And really enjoyed playing that one. No idea who I was playing against, but it was a pretty enjoyable game. And you can see I've lost quite a few from my rating. I've won a fair few games, but I've lost about 2 or 3 times as many against some pretty expert players. That's just a little online demo, and unfortunately I wasn't quite sure who I was playing against, but they gave me a really enjoyable game. So this has been Tim at Latest 3DS Games. Thanks for watching.